Hi guys, so this video is going to be about earrings, these earrings that I have in, and all of these jewelry right here. So these jewelry are handmade pieces, and they're by Jerene's Handmade Accessories. And let me just get her email address for you guys. Her email address is jereneshandmadeaccessory@yahoo.com, and I'll go ahead and link that in the description bar below. If there's a website or anything, I'll link that in the description bar below. I wore this in this makeup tutorial, and I wore this chain choker, which is epic, right? So it can go on your hand, or it can go around your neck. And I wore this in another makeup, the purple cut crease. So yeah, that's what I wore. And this one as well, didn't wear this, but it's another. And then this one, you just clasp it naturally. Like, I didn't clasp it, I just threw it around my neck. So everything that you're seeing here are handmade pieces. This that I'm wearing in my ears right now, these earrings, they're handmade. This as well is handmade. And look guys, it broke. Oh my god, look, it broke. Damn it, because I've been traveling so much and I just threw them in my suitcase. And y'all know this would be cute as earrings though, but it's supposed to be a chain and it broke. Oh, how can I make this work? I have to think about how can I make this work. But this broke. Not a fault of the company, it's completely a fault of mine. So Jerene, I'm very sorry it broke. I'm sorry. And then I have some more pieces here as well. I have this other chain right here, and as I said, everything is everything is handmade, and everything is very ethnic. It has a very ethnic Mama Africa vibe going on. So this necklace right here, really cute necklace, and I would make this into like a choker. That's how I would wear that, like way up on my neck. And of course I have one more piece, and this one I think is really nice. It's just a heart on a black chain, and it's kind of like a chunky heart. So that, like a chunky heart. So this one is a little bit longer, so it falls, it has more of a drop. So everything was sent to me in order to do a review. Now I've had these for over 3-4 months. Like, I've had this for a while, and this is the type of jewelry whenever I wrap my hair, because I've been wrapping my hair, like, y'all, man, I have some new head wraps that I don't know if I'll be sharing on YouTube because y'all have no chill. But yes, so whenever I wear my head wraps like these, I draw for these kind of jewelry, and I don't have these at all. So Jerene's handmade jewelry, these are the only ones I have that are ethnic, because you know I love my gold, this and even my tongue ring is gold. I love everything gold. So like these ethnic jewelry, like I don't have these. I don't. So I was really surprised when I saw them. But being that I'm in Jamaica, these jewelry are way easy for me to come by. But as I say, I don't purchase them because generally I'm not either a thug or a princess, boo. But I love, now that I've been wrapping my hair so often, I love the fact that I have that versatility with my look, with my whole wardrobe. I love having that versatility. So again, I will link below the where you can purchase, and if there's any discount code, I'll definitely link that in the description bar below. And I must apologize to Jerene because it took me a really long time to get this video up. You wouldn't even know how long it took me, and they've been so patient with me. Now let's talk about the quality. Yeah, the quality is absolutely amazing. This is my favorite piece, these hoop earrings, because I love hoop earrings. So this is definitely, and it moves. Like the beads, yeah, they're not like stationary, they don't stay in one place, it like moves, and everything is handmade. Now I respect anybody that makes anything handmade, especially jewelry, because I don't know what they're working with back there, these wires and how they bend and twist, and I respect that. So I have to give my hats off to Jerene. Your pieces are absolutely beautiful. This one is my favorite, and these three are my favorite. So this necklace here, love it. And this one here, as I said, I wouldn't wear it down here, I wear it all the way up in my neck, like especially this look right now. Epic, right? Oh, absolutely epic. and of course my little neck piece here, or my little arm piece here, depends on what you want to wear it as. And my hands are really small, so this thing will like come off my hand, but it depends on what I want to wear it on. So I like the versatility of this. I like the versatility of this. What else do I have to say? The quality is really good. Apart from when that broke in my suitcase, oh my god. And I like it. I love the fact that everything is handmade, everything is personal. You know what I mean? And yeah, shout out to you, Jerene. So that's basically it. I really have nothing negative to say. I mean, it's jewelry. I have nothing negative to say. Nothing has changed on me. The clasps, they have not changed on me. The earrings, these ones, they have not changed on me. Everything remains the same, just as how when I got it. And I got these 3-4 months ago, and I've had them ever since, and I've been wearing them ever since. You saw these in my makeup tutorial with little pumpkin pie of makeup game on point. So you saw these in the tutorial with the makeup game on point. If you have not seen it, I'll link that video in the description bar below. And I have a video coming up of me with this look and also wearing these earrings. Yeah, so yeah, that's basically it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to check out, and of course support, you guys. Even if you go in there, just probably comment on our Facebook or whatever, just show some support. You know what I mean? If they have an Instagram or anything, I'll link that in the description bar below. And if you have like personal pieces, if you have probably a conference coming up and you want to give like something heartfelt, like some tokens, you can probably link Jerene, and then she can probably make a couple for you, like a bunch, or what do you call it, like an order quantity or whatever, with something personal with your company or whatever on it. So think, as entrepreneurs, think outside the box. Think how you can make your brand a bit more exclusive, and how you can support other smaller business as well while you're trying to build your own. Alright, so that's it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.